I'r brif adran lle roedd newydd y cyngrau'r Fenni yn croesawu Caerdydd ar ymwelwyraeth ar y blaen wedi 20 munud. Pas hyfryd gan Phoebe Poole gyda thu allan y droed i greu'r cyfla ac yna Daniel Green yn gorffen yn wych. Llwyddodd yr adar gleision i ddyblu'r afantais 10 munud yn ddiweddarach. Chwarae Blair gan y Fenni yn y cwrt a Green yn manteisio i sgorio i hail am y prynhawn. Roedd hi'n 2 i Caerdydd wedi awr o chwarae. Poole yn creu unwaith eto gyda ffas safonol arall, cyn i Daniel Broadhurst osod y bel heibio Chloe Hastings i gefn yr hwyd. Dim gobaith gan y golwr. Trol tair yn 4 munud yn ddiweddarach. Neb yn marcio'r capten Siobhan Walsh yn y cwrt o gic gornel a'i ffeniad yn tarannu oddi ar y trawst i gefn yr hwyd. Daeth Zoe Atkins yn agos i rwydo i gol gyntaf tymor yma, ond y golwr Hastings yn arbed yn wirthiol i gadw'r sgôr yn 4-0. Ond gyda chwarter awr ar ôl roedd hi'n 5, Rhian Oakley yn sgorio ar y foli ac yn rhoi'r eisin ar y gacen. Perfformiad 5 seren gan yr adar gleision a phrynhawn i'w anghofio i'r Fenni.
We're trying to play a new way this year. I think, we worked really hard in pre-season. And it's nice to see a lot of the stuff that we've been working on coming into the games. I thought we were very, very good against Pontypridd last week. Probably guilty of not putting the game away. I think there was no chance of that today. And 5-0, I don't really think they had a shot on target. And I think, we still left some on there. So it just shows we're trying to be exciting. We're trying to play the right way. And yeah, 6 points out of 6, we're very pleased.
Great win. Got the job done. A lot of goals, which is what we wanted to come here and do. Kept a clean sheet, so it couldn't have gone any better going into next week.
We've targeted the next 3 games now. We have to win. There's no point us, saying any different. They are 3 games that we have to win, or we're going to find ourselves in a very, very big problem. But I'm confident. I think we were poor against Aberystwyth. The girls have come out today. They've worked really hard despite the result. So I think we're going in the right way, and I'm really looking forward to next week.